To you, the police officers, I am sure when you're swearing, when you're being passed out as a police officer, you swear to keep law and order, you swear to protect people and their poverty. But now you are being used to intimidate people. I want you to know that there's a plan for you also. Every institution has been captured, including the military and the police. We want to liberate the police so that you live in dignity, so that you stop living in those Mama Njia Poli. In 2025, you must not be living in a uniport. You saw Museveni on TV. He was saying that he does not care about your welfare, that even if you live in grass-thatched houses for as long as you buy guns. I tell you that after 40 years, you're supposed to be living in a better house. Uganda is not at war. Uganda is supposed to be a peaceful country, and you are supposed to be a national police. You are supposed to be friends with the citizens. You're not supposed to be feared by the citizens. Museveni is the enemy of Uganda because he does not love you. Museveni does not care about you. You are young people and you deserve better. And you deserve better payment. And you deserve better dignity. And you deserve to be promoted not according to your tribe, but according to your worth and according to merit.